What's up, everybody? It's the Instagram champ here. This is Lee here, the hockey legend here. Back again with another episode of Dustin DeMars Sports. And so, follow me on Instagram, it's Lee. And me on Snapchat, this is Lee. Follow me on Twitter, it's Lee. Nail hey buddy. Also, follow me on TikTok, it's Lee. I do a couple of TikToks on there. Sorry for the little thingy thing. I'm hearing myself in my ear. So come upon this channel, I would be talking about that in my main channel vlog here. It's Friday. And then, yeah, so today's episode will be a short one. There's nothing much, it's just NFL going on, and then, some sports are coming back here in the near future here. You guys can see my mustache going on, so let's go to the episode right now. We're in the episode of Dustin DeMars Sports, and it's going to be a short episode today here, and it's going to be a short episode here, and so we're going to be talking about, my first story we're going to be talking about is the NFL, that's why it's a short episode today. So, first NFL news is that a couple players are, I think it was Ben Roethlisberger, if you see him right there, it's he got tested positive for cough. I don't want to say the virus name, but it's cough. He got tested positive, and he's the quarterback of the Pittsburgh Steelers, which they're undefeated 8-0 right now, and they're a good team right now. And then, yeah, he tested positive. And then, who else tested positive? I think one of the Minnesota Vikings players got tested positive for cough. And then, that's all. So, that's the only news. But then, Minnesota did really great so the Minnesota Vikings did really awesome in their game against what was that team? The Detroit Lions. They won 34-20. And so, Dalvin Cook got a lot of rushing yards. I think it was 206 rushing yards, and he got like 2 touchdowns. And then, who else did good? The rest of their defense did awesome, and then a couple other players. Oh yeah, Irv Smith got 2 touchdowns. So, it's really awesome to have good players on the Minnesota Vikings, where a couple other players, some people are like, they have bad players, but they're good players when they play a good game of football. So, yeah. And then they're playing, as of this taping, which actually will be Monday, they'll be facing the Chicago Bears, and they don't have Javon Wims on their team until the next week, which I think they're facing another team. I think they're facing another team, but I don't know who they're facing after Minnesota, but it's really great. So, our next story is, they got 3 stories. We already got Ben Roethlisberger, and then we had Dalvin Cook, and then we had the Minnesota Vikings. What's next? Oh yeah, some players got waived from the NFL. I think one player from the Minnesota Vikings failed their physical, so they waived him. And then, some players are waived from the NFL. And then, any other news here? Because I know, some college. Just heard about what was it, college football. Let's talk about college football right now. So the Ohio State team, one of their players tested positive for the cough, which is coronavirus. I don't want to say it right now, but it's the virus. So their game got canceled, and so we don't know yet who they're going to face and what's going on, because the Gophers are still playing Friday night. As of this taping, as of this upload, it was yesterday. And then the Falcons play, as of this taping, it's tonight. And then, you guys can relive it if you guys watched it on YouTube. And then, Gophers play Friday night. And yeah, so that's all. So, that's all the news. short episode here. So let's get to end of this episode right now. Well, that did for today. It was awesome episode of Dustin DeMars Sports. It was a little bit of a short episode here, and sorry for that. And then talk about a little bit of football mostly of this episode. So follow me on Instagram, Simply, and me on Snapchat, Simply. Follow me on Twitter, Simply. No, hey buddy. Also follow me on TikTok, it's Simply. I do a couple of TikToks on there. So come up on this channel. I already talked about that on my main channel blog. I would keep an eye on doing that. And then it was an awesome episode. So please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Dustin DeMars Network for more. Nailed it. And if you're not done with that, we got two for you. Hey, bye.